Hi, welcome back to my channel.
So here in this video, we're gonna see what I have in my makeup pouch, makeup bag, and what are the essentials or the makeup items that I usually use. So I have kept that inside this bag. It's pretty crowded. As you can see, it's super bulky from the sides. I got this one from Miniso. It's the My Melody makeup pouch. It has that cute lace type and all. Of course, it's in pink. So it's pretty packed, and I've just kept only one product out here because I cannot carry everything. I just keep it somewhere in my handbag. So yeah, I need to upgrade to a bigger size pouch. But I like this. But I love this. It's cute, right? Okay. Oh my god, so many products. The first one is the mascara from Benefit Cosmetics. For this, you don't need to curl your lashes. You can like directly apply it on your eyes, and it gives that nice look. Right now I've applied it here, but you cannot see because I just don't like the mascara that much. I use falsies pretty much every time, and my blush blindness is getting out of hand. It can be taken care of. I probably wouldn't repurchase this. I got this for 3,000. It's not worth the price, I guess. So next is the bronzer from Rare Beauty. Yes, this is in the shade Full of Life. It should I like even show how the bronzer looks? So it's like a little brown color, and this is the perfect one for me. I use this every single time when I do my makeup. When I want that bronzed look on my face, I do it here, here, here. It's worth the price. I think even this retails around 3K. I'm not sure. I got this during the offer in the Sephora online website. So I got this online. Next is my favorite tinted sunscreen from Dot and Key. I recommend this to everyone. I recommended this to my family members. That is how much I like using this. This gives that sheer coverage on your face. It doesn't have any full coverage, okay? But it also protects you and also gives you that glowy skin. My skin, but better version. So I'm in the shade beige, and I will definitely repurchase this anytime, every time. I love the ponytail, so I'm gonna keep shaving my hair. Next is the concealer, Born This Way concealer from Too Faced. My holy grail. This is what I'm wearing right now. I haven't concealed that much, just here, because I wanted like the sheer finish. I don't want to go full coverage today, so I use this every single time. Okay, even today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, every time I use this. I'm in the shade warm beige. Yeah, and I've got this like few months back, not few months, many months back, and still I have like so much product. See, just a little dot goes a long way. Okay, I've used this much. Let it just rest for a while, and then okay, I have no patience. Can you see how it concealed the acne mark that I had? You just have to dab. Next is the eyebrow palette from Mars. I still have mixed reviews on this, okay? I do not find these two shades useful at all. I just use the gray one, that's it. But it's a little dark for me. Then my favorite water tint from Etude. This is what I'm wearing right now. This is what I'll wear even on my funeral. Okay, someone please apply it because that's how much I like it. And if you want something like that Benetint, but you don't have the budget for it, like me, you can definitely get this one. Shade strawberry. Yeah, I think I'm not sure. Okay, but I remember this is the shade strawberry. Let me like show you. Look. You should mix it in like instantly, or else it leaves a bad stain behind and it won't blend. You see, pink color. I love this so much. It also has very yummy fruity smell to it. Almost I want to drink it up. Next is the color corrector from Elf Cosmetics. I'm in the shade peach. I don't know, bro. This is good, but it says it is easily blendable, but it doesn't give that much coverage. I have to get that one from Huda Beauty, but I do not have that budget right now. Maybe soon I'll get that, but this is like okay. Next is the Mars. eyeshadow palette. So you have that peach, all the neutral colors here. So this is my favorite one. And I also use that K Beauty peach palette, but I cannot carry the bigger size here. Only when I'm like going for a wedding or any important function, and then I use that. But on the other days, I use this one because it has all the colors that I like. It has peach, brown, shimmers, and also dark ones. This is totally my favorite, and it has like super pigmentation. It's worth the price, honestly. I love all the Mars products. And my favorite compact powder. This is from Rare Beauty. This is the pressed compact powder. This gives, how do I say, it doesn't completely blur your face, but also gives the subtle blurriness. How do I say it? It doesn't completely blur like the Huda Beauty loose powder does, but it just blurs or gives a matte finish to an extent. And I like that so much about this because this is what I exactly wanted. And I also use the K Beauty compact powder, but I like this much than that. I'm in the shade light beige. How much I have like used it. I haven't hit pan yet, but that's fine. I'll be using this, and I love the packaging so much. It has like the unique aestheticness to it. I don't know. Okay. This is a 4-in-1 brush from Mars. This is totally worth it. This is for blush maybe, and for powder or foundation and concealer, and then for eyeshadow. Totally worth it. What's next? Lip products. I love lip products so much. Okay. This is my favorite tint. This is the most beautiful looking. It's a tint, but it doesn't leave any tint behind. It's like a matte lip gloss. I love this so much. And the color. I have this in two shades, salmon brick and baked pecan. I love the salmon brick, this one so much. It's like a soft pink color. Absolutely, you have to get this, okay? If you want that like Korean lips, you can get this definitely. And two products we are done. This is Color Chemistries, multi-use stick is what I say, because this can be used as a kajal, as an eyebrow pencil, also as a lip liner. It has that dark focus. See, it also can be used as a lip liner. So this is such an amazing lip product. As a lip liner, you can see how dark is it. You can see that, right? And finally, final product of this makeup pouch haul is the NYX eyeliner. This has like amazing pigment to it, okay? And you have that like felt tip. This is a felt tip eyeliner. It gives you that sharpest wings. See, it gives like tiny, thin strokes on your eyes. It's amazing, and it's waterproof and also smudge proof. It's smudge proof. Yeah, that's what I like about this so much. And falsies. This is the falsies. I use falsies only in the tip. I don't know why, because I like that so much. See, and I got this from Amazon. This is the pre-glued falsies. Yes, I think we are done. No, 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 no. Final product, MAC Fixing Spray. Ever since I discovered it, it gives you the perfect glass skin. I haven't used that Dalba serum spray, but I wanted a fixing tint. Sorry, a fixer spray, fix plus setting spray. So I use this in between my makeup, after my makeup, before my makeup, at every step I use this. This is honestly worth the price, okay? Expensive da, but you can get this during the offer time, during sale. I got this during sale, so nalla deal. It's a good deal to get it during that time. We have come to the end of this video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.